chicken nicely washed. It's 2 full chicken. I cut it into half. I have my plantain and my potato. Now I'm going to season my chicken. That's ginger. I'm going to put some ginger in there. 1 spoon of ginger. My mixed spice. Half spoon of black pepper. My Maggi aroma. Just put some. Not too much because we're going to mix the flour for the chicken. So the flour too, we're going to season the flour. So in here, we just want to put a little bit of seasoning just to steam the chicken. Because I'm going to steam the chicken. So chicken you cannot steam now. So para high that season, you cannot steam now. So just a little bit. I'm going to mix it now. That's my potato. Chop them into any size that you want. Doesn't matter. Into any kind of size. Now I have peeled my plantain. Now I already sliced my plantain and seasoning it. I put paprika seasoning, some mixed spice, ginger, and some my Maggi aroma, and some little bit of salt. So far I have added my curry madras seasoning into my flour and my paprika and my all-purpose flour seasoning. I'm adding my mixed spice. Ginger, and then I add some garlic powder in it as well. I'm using my Maggi seasoning. 1 spoon. My mix salt. 1 little bit amount of salt, my black pepper, one tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of that, and that would. I added water here. So the flour is, I'm using plain flour. So it's only water that I added. My paste for the chicken, my flour paste. Chicken has been marinating for 45 minutes. Now I'm going to steam it. I'm going to put some of my cayenne pepper, my chili powder. Just put the amount how spicy you want. Just put, and some garlic. My chicken has been nicely steamed. I'm going to leave it to cool down before I marinate in the flour mix. Now I'm coating my steamed chicken in my flour mix. I use soft chicken, not boiler, not hard chicken. It's soft chicken that I use. So this is how I'm coating my chicken in my flour mix. Now I'm frying my fresh chips that I seasoned earlier on. So I'm gonna fry it here. I'm gonna deep fry my chicken. I'm gonna put my sweet chili sauce. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. This is how I do my fried chicken. That's my chips, my plantain. So this is how I do it. You can add your salad cream or your mayonnaise. Khanuare gachama gawari. Then kinda soro kundwae.